नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome every one of you, everyone who is sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today we have a unique Ask the Avatar, where, see, you had all these days Ask the Avatar, where Avatar was asked. Now the Avatar is going to ask. The subject is the best subject, causing. So fundamentally, let me introduce the subject. Understand, when the seed decides to cause more seeds, it takes the risk of opening up and becoming tree, growing, getting flowers, fruits, finally the seed. Decision of a seed to cause the seed starts life for it. Understand? Decision of the seed to cause more seeds starts life for it. Decision of Mahasadashiva to cause himself in by becoming many. When infinity decided to become infinity, universe started. Understand? When the seed decides to make more seeds, when the seed decides to cause more seeds, life starts for the seed. It is because of that decision the seed even opens up and sprouts, grows, survives all the attacks, and expands, flowers, fruits, and gives the seeds. It is the decision of the seed to cause more seeds – starts life for the seed. It is the decision of Mahadeva Sadashiva to become more Mahadevas and Sadashivas. We always have a problem. If it is plural, it should be small. Because the full cannot be plural. No, you are wrong. Your logic is wrong. Your maths is wrong. Your maths has a large blind spots. People use this many dirty words to curse. Some hole, this, that. I'll tell you, the best dirty word to tease people is maths. That is the worst dash hole. I did not tell anything. Dash hole. It has no reality. Understand? If you think many Sadashivas, many Mahasadashivas, then how can he be complete? No. That's a wrong logic. Listen very carefully. Infinity decided to become infinitely infinity. That is when life on the universe started. When infinity decided to cause infinities, life of the universe started. When you decide to cause whatever started happening in you, that starts manifesting multiple ways and times in you. Listen, when the first power starts, if you decide to cause others with that same power, empower others, then all the other multiple powers opens up through you. Fundamentally, life starts with causing. Seed, when it decides to cast many more seeds, the life for the seed starts. I tell you, all your sickness is your decision to withdraw from causing. Your decision to withdraw from causing is the root cause of all sickness, whether physical, mental, psychological. Your decision to withdraw from the causing. All life starts with causing. All death starts with withdrawal from causing. All of you look back. Today we are going to have one of the most powerful initiation with yesterday's Aushadha. When the power starts manifesting, immediately decide, now I am a new seed, new being. Let me start causing everyone as new beings. Understand? It has to be so organic, comfortable. Your fundamental conclusion and cognition. How strongly you cognize you are man or woman, or how strongly you cognize you are tall or short or dark or fair, or how strongly you cognize your fundamentals, more strongly you need to cognize your foundation. You cognize your fundamentals, but you don't cognize your foundation. Understand, fundamentals are what mentally you have been told as your foundation. Foundation is what is really your fundamental. What is fundamental? Making too much funda about mental. Too much funda about mental. What you have been told. Too much funda about the mental. Understand? What you have been made to believe as your foundation is your fundamental. What is really your fundamental is your foundation. Once I had this realization when I was walking in the streets of Calcutta. Most difficult streets in the world is Calcutta streets. Most easiest streets are Paris streets. Most difficult are Calcutta's, not Varanasi. If you think it is Varanasi, no, you are wrong. It is Calcutta's most difficult streets. Because you don't know where the street starts. Whether you are entering into a house or a street, you will not know. Streets will have sometimes doors which are smaller than the house door. Only after entering into the door, you will know you have entered a street. It is an opening the other side. Anyhow, on that heavy traffic, I was walking. Suddenly I realized all the human beings, every one of them, in that whole chaos, every one of them have only one purpose, causing themselves in multiple ways. That's all. A fisherman, when he thinks he is a fisherman, he is trying to create more fishermen. A doctor, if he thinks he is a doctor, he tries to cause more doctors. A man, when he thinks he is a man, he tries to create more men. It is all what you cognize as you are just multiplying. Trying to multiply, you gang up to multiply, you gather to this whole chaos called human civilization functions on one center, causing. If you consciously decide you are a spiritual being and start helping others to be spiritual being, cause others to be spiritual being, you will be consciously causing and gathering that kind of people around you. If not, unconsciously, you will feel you are depressed, dull and confused. Life is gone, and you will attract that kind of people around you. You bunch of Shiva yogis, by now, organically, by your very existence, you should be causing few thousands or at least 1 lakh, 2 lakh people to come and live here. Because you have been empowered something which nowhere in the world available. Understand? The kind of a powers you guys manifest, no midbrain, no Hindu monastery, no other religious monastery, no other religious organization, no other organization is able to even think or imagine. You guys are not a growth, you are a breakthrough. You are not a growth, you are a breakthrough. You are a breakthrough. Even a rejected piece here, Kailasa, if it goes to Bhuloka, can become a big guru. Understand? Decide to cause your higher being in others. You will cause your own higher being in you continuously. This is the foundation of causing. So now, I let them do the rapid fire. All my answers will be questions. Let's start the drama. Tuvangalam. நீங்கள் கேட்கிறீர்களா நான் கேட்கட்டுமா?
We know only to ask Swamiji. So we'll start with a prayer. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tatvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam Swamiji, and thank you for giving an opportunity for all of us to come and be in the stage along with you for yet another exciting Ask the Avatar series. And as Swamiji gave a beautiful introduction about causing, and here as Nityananda Sangha, we are also excited about the most actually I can say the finale of the year, which is the Mahasadashivoham. And we are all sitting here ensuring as many beings get to experience Mahasadashivoham, so that what Swamiji is offering to the humanity reaches out to as many people as possible. So we would like to start the Ask the Avatar series today with a rapid fire round. Swamiji permits a rapid fire round on Mahasadashivoham.
Start. Let's see whether bullet is coming from that side or this side.
First, each of us would like to ask about the various different dimensions of Mahasadashivam as a program. Okay, so now first question that I would like to ask. Aiye Shivoham, Nityanandoham, Sadashivoham, Mahasadashivoham.
Devotee, disciple, Kotari, Mahant, you, me. Next. But I said, all the answers will be questions. So you describe what is the difference. So if you say you don't know the answer, then you can pass on.
Yes, Swami.
Next question, Swamiji.
You see, it's a rapid fire. You cannot give the like this gap.
Yes, yes.
Quickly.
Powers. Okay, my next question is powers.
The word powers is not a question, na?
Decision. Okay. Is decision to Mahasadashivam a power? Decision to come to Mahasadashivam a power?
Is decision to come to Mahasadashivam a power?
Oh, is decision to come to Mahasadashivam a power? Is a decision of a seed to cause multiple seeds is a power? Because that starts life itself. I should say, the decision of the seed to cause more seeds is not just Shakti, it is Adi Shakti, source of all the Shaktis. So the decision of you to come to Mahasadashivoham is not just Shakti, it is Adi Shakti, source of all the powers. So it is not power, it is source of all powers. Understand? You make a decision which is bringing all powers means it is not one power. It is source of all powers. It's not one Shakti. It's not one power. It is source power. It's not one Shakti. It is Adi Shakti.
Swamiji, Hinduism in Mahasadashivoham versus Mahasadashivoham in Hinduism.
You in me and me in you. You in me is Hinduism in Mahasadashivoham. Me in you is Mahasadashivoham in Hinduism. You me or me you? It's you me. Understand? When Mahasadashiva decided to cause infinity, decided to become infinitely infinity, universe started. His own infinity is Subramanya. Subramanya is not essence of Shiva, he is best of Shiva. That is why Subramanyam, best of Shiva. Best of Shiva is Subramanya. Same way, you guys are not essence of me, you guys are best of me. I have not given you my essence, I have given you my best. Me in you is my best. You in me is your best. You in me is best for you. Me in you is best of me. I should say, best of Hinduism is in Mahasadashivoham. And the Mahasadashivoham is completely in Hinduism. What you understood, explain. Next.
Yes, Swamiji. Family vacation versus Mahasadashivoham.
Talking to you as Dayalta Avatar and talking to me as Dayalta Avatar. See, I'm not disrespecting family vacation so much. I'm just jovially giving a small example. What is fundamentally family vacation? Funda about becoming mental. You go there, and then after landing there only you remember you forgot the napkin for the child, and then you forgot your umbrella or your muffler or a torchlight, and then the fight starts. And then, actually when you go for the vacation, the sound will be when you come back, if you have gone for family vacation, you know what is family vacation. Actually, there are multiple times in family vacations, they don't come back as family. They go as family to vacation. They don't come back as family from vacation. Ordinary family vacation, if you go as family together for vacation and if you come back as the same family from the vacation, that itself is a great. You come here for Mahasadashivoham, I guarantee, I'll make universe as your family and send you back. I am telling you this time, I left the whole thing to Kalabhairava. Kalabhairava, you approve, only if whoever you are approving will be able to come here. Let me break the part now. Understand? I have gone one step beyond the natural allowed standards for human beings. Human beings are not allowed in certain spaces if they are going to continue to use the human body. I requested Mahasadashiva's space and Mahasadashiva got the permission. Good news is he approved. He is going to allow all the Mahasadashivam participants to experience that space. Before approving, one condition was laid. We will decide, we will do the screening of who is going to come and attend. I said, that is great, no problem. Kalabhairava said very clearly, I will decide who is going to attend, I am going to sanction, approve personally. All causing for Mahasadashivoham is independent of our expectations about Sangha's growth. Kalabhairava has separated both. It is now pure compassion to give you the experience of Kailasa. Understand? The space where people who continue to use human body are not allowed. Sadashiva has agreed to allow, give the glimpse, because he really wants to revive this ancient spiritual science on the planet Earth. But one condition was made: the approval authority has to be given to Kalabhairava, and it has been handed over already. Already Kalabhairava took the approval authority. It is no more, casting is no more something to do with, if you think, maybe they want money, they are calling me. Maybe they want me to become their disciple, they are calling me. Maybe they want me to be part of their Sangha, they are calling me. Maybe they want me to become their Adinavasi, they are calling me. If you have any doubt, maybe for this only they are calling. Over. Sadashiva's Mahasadashiva has personally taken the whole thing in his hands. Kalabhairava is the visa officer. Mahasadashiva is personally taken charge of the whole thing. He says the Sangha is going to grow beyond any expectation. So this does not need to be connected to the growth of the Sangha. Mahasadashivoham program is completely independent of any of our efforts to grow the Sangha. It is pure compassion to reach you out, to reach out to you, to give you the experience of Kailasa. Nothing else. It's completely clear now. And he says, I am taking the decision. I am giving the visa. If I allow them here, it means they are going to experience the space which is beyond the human possibility, human access. It is going to be completely different. Whatever words I may utter will look too good to be true, so I am not uttering anything. But I am telling you, I am not casting you or inspiring you. I am only challenging you. Try to come. Let's see. Try to come. Let's see whether Kalabhairava approves your visa or not. You guys are really going to experience the space of Kailasa, which is not accessible, allowed to human beings. That's all I have to say. How many powers you are going to manifest, what all dimensions you are going to experience, all that will be too good to be true if I explain. Understand? Now whatever I have already given you, start causing that in others. Show your integrity to causing. you will be showered more and more. Otherwise, even if I get you and make you sit in the session, what are you going to do? Be integrated to causing. You will see you are showered, 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 showered with more and more powers and possibilities. And also Kala Bhairava said that if you don't, you see, and I was talking to this energies and I also told him, just like you took charge of the visa for Mahasadashivoham, why don't you take up the administration of this campus also, this Sangha also, I'll be little free and I can do all the power manifestation. And then he said, all right, I'm taking it up. Yes, next.
Swamiji, first darshan in Mahasadashivoham.
You will have life at first sight. I guarantee, first darshan, you will experience Kailash and start manifesting at least 3 powers. First darshan, immediately after that there will be one more darshan. In that you will have the blindfold, but you will all see. After the first darshan, you will come with blindfold only, without any guidance, automatically to the stage for darshan, for individual energization. For individual energization, you will come with the blindfold without any disturbance, hitting here, there, properly you will walk and come to the stage for individual darshan. More than that, you come and see. See, it is now no more about just the powers, it is about powerful cognitions, multi-dimensions of the universe, manifesting these powers continuously in your day-to-day life, changing the very way you perceive you in a real way. In a really, really real way. Next.
Swamiji gave a challenge to everyone who set the intention, try to come. If someone has that intention, but they want to know how their visa can get approved by Kala Bhairava,
along with your efforts, offer deep prayers to Kala Bhairava and Mahasadashiva. Allow me. Even if all low, ask him to allow. He will allow. All the barriers, he will lower it. That is what is allowing. All low, all barriers low. That is what is allow.
Swamiji, what is for kids, teens and youths after Mahasadashivoham? How are they going to live?
If you go to Kailas and have Mahasadashiva's darshan and come back, what is life after that? That's all. Life after Mahasadashivoham, live as you want, as the prince of the cosmos, princess of the cosmos. See, fundamentally, even though it looks too good to be true, it is true. Now it is all about try to come. I'll get back to you with more detailed revelations about Mahasadashivoham. The further satsangs now with this. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.